Hello, little artist. Welcome back to Kids Knowledge Club. Today, we're drawing and coloring a super cute fish. Grab your colors and let's get started. Fish come in all shapes and sizes. Did you know there are over 33,000 types of fish in the world? Let's begin. First, let's draw a small curved line for the fish's face. Fish don't have noses like us, but they have tiny nostrils to smell things underwater. Now let's add the body. Start with a big round shape, kind of like an oval or a lemon. This helps fish swim smoothly in the water. Next, let's draw a big eye. Fish use their eyes to see in the water, but some fish, like the catfish, have whiskers instead. Let's add the fins. Fish use them to steer through the water, just like a boat sail. Now let's draw a wavy tail. This helps the fish move super fast. The fastest fish, the sailfish, swims up to 68 miles per hour. Don't forget the little side fins. These help our fish balance, just like how we use our arms when swimming. Time to add some fun patterns. Fish can have stripes, spots, or zigzags. Some fish, like the clownfish, have bright orange and white stripes. Did you know some fish can glow in the dark? The anglerfish has a tiny light to attract food in the deep ocean. Now let's color our fish. I'm using blue and red, but you can choose your favorite colors. Did you know the parrotfish can change color depending on its mood? Let's make the fin stand out with deep blue. Let's draw some bubbles around our fish. Bubbles help fish release air, just like we do when we swim. Let's finish with a few seaweed plants or some fishy friends in the background. Now our fish has a whole ocean to explore. And we're done! Look at our colorful fish! You did an amazing job! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun drawing videos! Next, draw some bubbles around our fish. You did an amazing job. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun drawing videos.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.